sis, what would you do if somebody's son was like, get dressed, I'm taking you out to get some food? So you put on the cutest outfit, you beat your face, you put on you a nice little shoe, and you're stepping out. You get in his car and he pulls up to McDonald's or Burger King talking about some, what you want on your burger? What? Excuse me, what? Now, sis, I know you think you too good for a burger. You sitting here like, who do he think I am? He don't think he gotta impress me. A burger? What's that? Girl, a burger is a burger. We not too good for a burger every now and again. Like, we want to be taken to a nice restaurant where we can't even pronounce the stuff that's on the menu. A burger? What's that? Actually, sis, a burger is something. But we are too good for a McDonald's burger. Like, why would you make me get dressed for a McDonald's burger? So we about to make our own burger. A Hello Fresh burger. So on their app this week, they was getting a little spicy. Literally spicy. They are advertising a spicy pepper jack burger. So listen, me and you are about to give these burgers a shot so that the next time somebody's son be like, what you want on your burger? You could be like, actually, I can make you a burger at home. Yes. What's in the box? Ooh, look at this recipe. Yes, HelloFresh is about to teach us how to cook. So we have two individually wrapped meal kits, and then underneath these is the meat that's covered by the ice. So girl, yes, let's unpack. So for our recipe of Smothered Pepper Jack Burgers with spicy ketchup and barbecue potato wedges, we should have 24 ounces of Yukon Gold potatoes, 2 yellow onions, 2 long green peppers, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet and smoky barbecue seasoning, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 20 ounces of ground beef, 1 cup of pepper jack cheese, and 4 potato buns for a serving of 4 people. So I know y'all know I washed everything before I even started this process. Like, we do not have time for this coronavirus. We don't have time to be dirty. We got to be real clean, y'all. So make sure that you wash everything. It doesn't matter where you get it from. Wash it, wash it, wash it. Okay. So as you guys can see, I started by cutting up the potatoes. So I'm just going to read you the instructions on the recipe card. Step 1. Cut potatoes into half-inch thick wedges. Step 2. Toss potatoes on a baking sheet with a large drizzle of oil, half the barbecue seasoning, you'll use the rest later, salt and pepper. Roast on top rack, flipping halfway through until browned and tender, 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees. So y'all already know I don't follow the rules. Like, who would I be if I did? So actually, I just put oil on the potatoes and season them before I put them on the sheet so that they can all be drenched in oil and seasonings evenly. And you know, they said use salt, pepper, and half the barbecue seasoning. Well, actually, I added a little onion powder and garlic powder as well because y'all already know what is food without a little extra flavor. Okay, so getting back to the recipe, step 1 also said, okay, buddy. All right, listen, y'all. Okay, let me stop. Step 1 said, halve, peel, and thinly slice onions, halve, core, and thinly sliced green pepper into strips. Then step 3 went on to say, while potatoes roast, heat a large drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add onion and green pepper. Cook, stirring until browned and softened, 7 to 9 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, turn off heat, remove from pan, and set aside. So let me proceed to tell you guys why I did not follow those instructions either. As you can see, I'm cutting up these vegetables. Yes, I did cut up and thinly slice the onions, and yes, I did also do the same thing to the green pepper. But the thing is, I didn't know how these green peppers were going to taste, so I wasn't going to put the onions and green peppers in together and mess up everything. So that's why I decided to cook the onions separately and the green peppers separately. Other than that, I did follow the instructions. So, ooh, it's been 25 minutes and it's time to flip our potatoes. And look, our green peppers are done. Now, let's get jiggy with this meat, okay? So, let me read step 4. In a large bowl, combine beef, remaining barbecue seasoning, and a big pinch of salt and pepper. Side note, I know y'all saw me put that onion powder and garlic powder in there. Just saying. Okay, back to the instructions. Divide 1 cup of cheese between the centers of each patty. Fold edges of meat around cheese, shaping and sealing to create cheese stuffed patties. But listen, y'all, check me out on this upcoming part. Like, I'm really massaging these burgers up, okay? If y'all didn't know this recipe, y'all would think the cheese was sleepy. The way I'm tucking it in, putting it to bed. Anyway, step 5. Cook patties to desired doneness, 3 to 5 minutes per side. While patties cook, have buns and toast them. In the last 2 minutes of cooking, top each patty with a layer of veggies, then top with 1 cup of pepper jack cheese. Cover pan to melt the cheese. Then it says in a small bowl, combine ketchup with hot sauce to taste. Actually, I'm gonna just tell y'all right now. I saw that hot sauce that came inside this pack, but I said, no, I don't even like spicy stuff. So I just actually pushed the hot sauce to the side. So we're gonna skip that. But check our burger, you guys. Like, it's looking so good. Look at our sauteed vegetables, our potato wedges, and us topping this burger off with this ketchup. We did a good job. So next time somebody's son tries to play us, actually, we can make smothered pepper jack burgers with spicy ketchup and barbecue potato wedges. So your girl would love to stay in chat, but I gotta go eat this burger. So y'all already know the deal. I'm gonna tell y'all again. Like, subscribe, and all that other stuff that they be telling y'all to do. Do it for your girl Ray.